Okay. Hello there.
Hey! Welcome to Rip Van Winkle, and we are Hot Pot Adventures, so come and see what we've got. So today we have a brand new addition to our van. We've got a Contoure all-in-one. So this is not just a microwave, but it is also a convection oven. So we are excited to try this puppy out. We haven't cooked in it yet. That'll be in a later video. So our appliance tours, we've got the truck fridge, pretty big, nice and spacious, with little freezer. So we haven't plugged that in yet. Still working on our electrical. And also, if you come in, you can see underneath our bench, we have some little surprises. So we have a toilet. So we just take this off. It's on magnets.
So is it comfortable when you sit?
On the bench or on the toilet?
On the toilet.
On the toilet. I would say so. Thumbs up.
Wow, okay, good.
Yeah, this is an airhead compostable toilet, so we don't have it all going just yet, but you put number 1 in the front, number 2 in the back, and then you can grind it up and it goes back to the earth. And coming over here, take a peek, we have our Goal Zero. This is the Goal Zero 3000. It's giving us lots of power to power all of our different devices. So if I just turn this on right here for our AC power, hooked up to our microwave. Beep! Alright, ready to start cooking.
Awesome.
Yeah. Alright, so if you're going to be cooking, well, you need a table, right? So we have this slide out kind of a drawer table right here. You can eat, chop stuff, do your laptop, and we have a table leg under there that you can attach if you want to pull this out further, make it really stable. And then right here we've got our big Presenza sink, and you can also turn it. You can take shower outside over there.
Oh, let me try that. Let me see out here. See how far.
Nice, yeah,
Woo.
pretty far. Yeah, we don't have it plumbed just yet, but that's coming.
Ooh, all right.
Yeah,
that's awesome.
You can also, because it has these threads on here, you can also hook it up to another kind of hose, and then you can actually have your shower head in here. So we'll be putting our own little temporary shower here whenever you need it.
Awesome. That's
Yeah.
great. What else you have?
Under the bed, we've got a hot water heater. It's a 4-gallon Bosch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me
So
see. I can.
if you lift up the bed,
Yeah.
to be really strong, you can see our water heater right there. So still working on plumbing.
Yes. Water tank. We have the water tank. We have the pump. We just need to hook it up.
Yeah.
Good.
So as you can see, our futon bed does fold up. It folds in either direction. So we're still working on getting that. And we've got insulation on our ceiling, so we'll be putting up some boards to cover that. We're gonna put in our max fan up here. Our solar is coming in a few days. Our Renogy flexible panels, so we'll be getting that all soon. So stay tuned.
All right. Thank you so much.
Bye.